Hello everyone. In today's lecture we'll see about GPRS, that is General Packet Radio Services. General Packet Radio Services is an enhanced version of GSM. GSM was based on 2G, that is second generation mobile system, and GPRS is based on 2.5G, that is 2.5 generation mobile system. Right? Here GPRS, as I told, it is an enhanced version of GSM. That's why it makes possible the use of packet switch data networks by mobile users. The data sent by mobile users are sent in different packets before reaching to destination. GPRS is an overlay on GSM. It extends data capabilities of GSM and provide connection to external packet data network through GSM infrastructure. GPRS allows more efficient packet data transfer compared to GSM data services. The principle is that the mobile user can be constantly connected to the network without occupying any resource until a data packet has to be transferred. If a user has to transfer data, a temporary channel is assigned to it, and as soon as the data has been transferred, a connection is suspended. Here we'll see the features of GSM. Features of GSM, first we'll see the features of GSM, and first feature is packet switching. As I told you that GPRS makes possible the use of packet switch data networks. Here in packet switching, the information data is split into separate packets before being transmitted and reassembled at the receiving end. Then another feature is mobile data over GPRS network. GPRS packet data network uses the air interface and the infrastructure of the GSM network to provide a mobile packet data service. The packets are routed to the packet switch data network rather than being switched through the PSTN. Another feature is spectrum efficiency. Packet switching simply means that GPRS radio resources are used only when mobile users are actually sending or receiving data. Instead of dedicating a radio channel to mobile user for fixed time period, the connection will be temporarily established and suspended on sending or receiving time. This enhances the spectrum efficiency because many GPRS mobile users can potentially share the same bandwidth. Next, reservation protocol in GPRS. The reserved protocol for GPRS is slotted Aloha protocol, which is a medium access technique. Then security features. The security feature of GPRS are similar to the features offered by GSM, that includes confidentiality of user data and signaling. Then we will see the architecture of GPRS. The architecture of GPRS are more similar with GSM, that it includes mobile equipment, which is a SIM card enabled mobile equipment. Then those will be connected to base transceiver stations, and base transceiver stations will be connected to base station controller, which will again connected to SGSN. Then the data moves to GGSN. Their home location register MSC will also be there. The other outer networks are intra-PLM and IP-based backbone network. As I told you, it achieves the GSM architecture. It is an overlay on GSM architecture. Some software has been upgraded and some new software has been installed in the existing GSM architecture. In the core network, that is in the GSM, the existing MSCs are based upon circuit switch technology and they cannot handle packet traffic. Thus, GPRS architecture contains GPRS architecture contains new network component to the GSM network. The SGSN, that is Serving GPRS Support Node, and GGSN, that is Gateway GPRS Support Node. Also, the new network component located on the connection to the intra-PLMN backbone network. Intra-PLMN backbone network is the border gateway needed to provide the security. A separate IP network acts as an interface between GSM and packet data network. In addition, some of the GSM network components are upgraded by the new softwares, that is BTS, HLR, MSCs. I told you the Serving GPRS, this SGSN, the Serving GPRS Support Node provides packet routing to and from the SGSN service area for all mobile data users in that service area. The GGSN acts as a gateway between the GPRS network and public data network, such as IP and X.25. GGSNs also connect to the other GPRS network to facilitate GPRS roaming. We'll see one by one. First of all, we'll see the Serving GPRS Support Node. The Serving GPRS Support Node connected to the base station controller and is the service access point to the GPRS network for the GPRS mobile users. The SGSN is similar to MSC in GSM and called as packet switched MSC. It is called as packet switched MSC. It delivers packet to mobile users within its service area. The SGSN sends queries to HLR. It sends queries to HLR to obtain profile data of GPRS subscribers. SGSN detects new GPRS mobile stations in a given service area, process registration of new mobile subscribers and keep record of their location inside a given service area. Hence, SGSN performs mobility management functions such as mobile subscribers, attach or detach, and location management. SGSN may route packets over GGSNs to reach different packet data network, and the function of SGSN is to handle authentication, data compression, ciphering, mobility management, and collects charging information and forward it to charging gateway. Gateway GPRS Support Node, that is GGSN. GGSN is connected to the external packet data network like Internet and X.25. For external packet data network, GGSN is just a router to subnetworks because it hides GPRS infrastructure from external packet data network. When GGSN receives data address of a particular mobile station, it checks if the called address is active. If it is active, the GGSN forwards the data packets to the serving SGSN. If the called address is inactive, the received data packets are discarded. This was all about GPRS, and we have already learned about GSM. GSM was on second generation mobile system and GPRS is on first 2.5 generation mobile system. That's all from now.